The mountain ranges of United Arab Emirates. Today we are traveling to this beautiful place, Hatta, which is deep-rooted in the mountain ranges of the Hajar Mountains. This place has a lot to offer to every visitor. Hajar Mountains, a drive to remember. Hatta has several attractions to offer. Hatta Water Dam provides you the tranquility. For adrenaline rush, the bikers enthralled with the Hatta Mountain Bike Trail Center. With the family, the Valley Park provides a beautiful space for the family. And for all adventure seekers, Hatta hiking is the perfect place. With all the beautiful lakes, Hatta Green Lake provides you the peace and solace. The eastern spread of mountainous terrain in United Arab Emirates marks the splendid geographical layout, which is tailor-made for lakes, reservoirs and dams, as they help to store the natural water resources, which is priceless in the Arabian Peninsula. Hajar Mountains extend for 700 kilometers through the United Arab Emirates and Oman. They are located on the northeast corner of the Arabian Plate, reaching from the Musandam Peninsula through to the east coast of Oman. The range is around 100 kilometers wide, with Jabal Shams being the highest peak at 3009 meters in the central region of the mountains. In addition to the call of the nature, these mountains extend their warm welcome to travelers, hikers, bikers, adventure seekers and nature lovers. Unique and tranquil spots of beauty are hidden in these valleys, and the heritage of the land is yet preserved. Many attractions have been created naturally and by man to make this region a unique experience for everyone with a taste of love for nature and adventure. These long treading roads which traverse the gorges and valleys of Hajar Mountains will help you to relish the travel to Hatta. A pleasant drive at any time of the day is a true blessing of the terrain, and even on weekends these roads are ever peaceful. There is an aura of peace and happiness in these valleys, and the culture around them are very ancient. This region dates back to 70 million years, emphasizing on how these mountain ranges were formed. It's the wild eastern bank of United Arab Emirates, which are guarded by the so known as the Rocky Mountains of United Arab Emirates. Hatta is a town on the foothills of the Hajar Mountains, located in the United Arab Emirates. It is a Dubai exclave and it's situated roughly an hour from Dubai. It's interestingly placed in the geospace. It borders Oman to the east and south, Ajman exclave of Masfout to the west, and Ras Al Khaimah to the north. The old village of Hatta includes two prominent military towers dated back to 1880, a fort from 1896, and the Jummah Mosque, which was built in 1780. And this is the oldest building in Hatta. In our series to follow on Hatta and Hajar Mountains, we will cover the relevant details. And now we would sign off to pan you into this picturesque range of the eastern border of United Arab Emirates. Stay tuned and stay tight for our upcoming updates. So in the meantime, do share, like and subscribe for more frequent updates on DXB Needle Zone. Have a wonderful drive, a drive to remember in the Hajar Mountains.